How to undo a repost on TikTok. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page. From this page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the Profile page, go to the Repost section. After that, open a video that you reposted earlier. Now tap on the Share option from the side panel. From all the options available here, you need to tap on Remove. There you go. The video has been successfully removed. You can do the same for every other reposted videos on your profile. So by following these simple steps, you can easily undo a repost on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.